Okay, the standard that I chose to focus on was a kindergarten standard, and it's standard number 2. And it states students will sort and classify objects as well as recognize and create simple patterns. So the piece of that I want to focus on is creating and recognizing simple patterns. So we're going to use the math manipulative that says color patterns. I'm going to click on this, and the computer will present us with a pattern that it has created. Now what you could do this in a couple different ways to help your students understand this concept. You could start by simply just doing this as a whole class, so having it up on a projector, and just going through and showing, so you have pink, green, blue, pink, green, blue, and then just ask the kids simple questions, what kind of patterns do you already see? We've only done 6 of them so far, but if we kept going, we still see that it goes pink, green, blue, pink, green. So what should this color be? Well, this color would be blue. And you could go through as a class and continue to finish the pattern. And then also what you could do with this is once you presented this to the class, you could have students individually take the time to go through on an individual computer and fill out the pattern. They could do this during their centers time or really during any time of the day that would be appropriate to have students working individually. Once you filled out the pattern like I did, you go ahead and you can check your answer, and it tells you that you did a good job. Or if you did a bad job, you can always go back and click on one of the circles and change it to a different color if you need to. And then you can go ahead and click a new problem. And this would be a really easy way for teachers to evaluate. You could simply have students just mark on a scratched piece of paper how many they got right and how many patterns they got right and how many patterns they had to try again. And this could be something that they could just do individually, and it would be a really good, fun, individual experience for them, and I feel like it would help to master that part of the standard that says recognize and create simple patterns.